Hi there and welcome to chapter 2, lecture number 9. In this lecture we're going to make a dice. So what you will learn is doing some modeling work and adding a material on the dice. And in the end we will make a render of a simple scene we create. So it's not an advanced model session, it's really it's a sort of a warming up. So you get used to some new working methods and yes, you learn modeling in a good way. So we have the default cube right here, and what I like to do is the same as the previous lecture. I go to the render settings and we switch to the workbench and we select matcap and red color and let's say shadow, cavity and the outline and turn to render mode. There we are. So the default cube is perfect for what we want to achieve. We want to create this dice object. So we switch to the edit mode and we zoom in a little bit so we have it. What I like to do is add some extra vertices, and we can do that in multiple ways, but what I like to do is learning you a new way of doing that, and that's edge lines. If you press Ctrl R, that's a short key, and you move your mouse, you can see this yellow line. This is a new edge line, and that will be visible in vertices. So let's say we want one edge line. If we press left mouse button and we release the mouse by right click, you can see we have 4 extra vertices. Very simple. But we want some extra because I want to prepare this cube so we can create a dice from it. So we press Ctrl Z and we repeat this action by Ctrl R. We have 1, but if we scroll the mouse wheel 1, 2, 3 times, we have 4 edge lines, and that's a perfect fit for this cube. So we press left mouse button, right mouse button, and we're good. And we want to do this with each side. So we now have it on these sides, and we also want it on the top and the left and right side. So we do this again, Ctrl R, 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So this is one way to do this. You can also press Ctrl Z to go to the default group, press right mouse button and press subdivide, and again and again. But as you can see, we have too many vertices, and Ctrl Z, this way we have less. So if you want to have more control on this, if you want to be in charge, the edge line is a perfect solution. So I'll do this very quickly. 4 on that side, 4 on this side, and there we are. Okay, so there was one more step I want to do before I end this lecture, and that is change the position of some of the vertices to make it looks like a dice if we go to the next lecture. Alright, so we select this one, press shift, select that one, that one, and that one, and the same for the bottom. This one, that one, and that one. We go to the front view, and now we press S, and we scale this a little, something like this. So if I look around, it looks really weird, but in the end it will look like a dice if we do some more modeling work and add some new things. Maybe we zoom this a little bit more out, something like this. Yeah, this fits better. It's always find the right feeling of how you want to have your object. Right, so in the next lecture we will add holes in it, so like a real dice, and we will work with a modifier to smooth it out because it's now really blocky. But yeah, this is it. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye.